Hello viewers, welcome to the learning video of this RRG indicator. So first of all, how to add this indicator in your trading view. So likewise the normal indicator, the way we are adding in our trading screen, the same process you can follow for this indicator as well. And the link for this indicator I have already shared in group. So you can refer that link to add this in your trading view screen. So once you add this indicator in your trading view, it will be visible like this. It will be plotted under your price chart. So once you added, just click on this maximize pane. So it will be a better view for the indicator. And it's advisable to use this indicator on a daily time frame only. You can use in a different time frames, but you won't get a suitable result or you won't get a suitable view for this indicator. So it's advisable to use on a daily time frame. So once you click on a maximize pane, it will be visible like this. So first of all, before going forward, what is RRG? So for the RRG related documentation and the videos, you can refer on a Google what is RRG and how it's and how it's plotted this metrics and all. So today we will not go into that session, but today I will explain you how you can use this indicator and you can track the performance of a particular sector or a index. So if you first of all, if you go to the setting of this RRG graph, you will find many setting and many symbols here. So we will go one by one. So what is the length? So length is like the past performance against the benchmark over the 65 days. So it will be like the FMCG performance over a Nifty for the past 65 days, how it's behaved, like it is outperforming or underperforming, or it is about to underperform or is about to outperform. So, and I have backdated this for a month that how you can, so what is the optimal number of the length. So I have found the 65 is the optimal length that you can use, or you can use any length as per your analysis. And for the benchmark I've selected as a Nifty, and there is total of 26 symbol I have given. So you can plot a 26 symbol in this matrix according to your need. So generally this RRG used to track the sector performance. So I have added all the sector most all the sector of NSE and BSE which are important to this indicator by default. So you can change according to your need as well. Like suppose if you want to add a CPSE sector, which I have not added earlier, so you can click on the CPSE and you can change to this CPSE. So likewise you can change this symbol's name. And apart from the normal symbol name, I have also given option to add a custom symbols, like you can refer as a custom sector list, because none of the exchanges are giving you the sugar or hotel sector index, or we can say the cement or paper. So you can create your own custom symbols based on your need. So I will show you in one example how I created. So so for this, go to the input symbol, and I have added a I have I have find the list based on the market capitalization of these stocks. So Renuka having the highest weightage, likewise EID Perry and likewise the Balrampur Chini and all. So why I have multiplied by 10? Because I have given a more weightage to the more market capitalization stock. So at time you can able to only add 10 stocks at a time. So that's why I started with 10 until the last one. So you can write like multiply by 10 plus again a stock name multiply by 9. Likewise, you can go up to the 1 here. And then I have divided by 55 because the 10 plus 9 plus 8 it's a 55. So I have divided by the 55. And once you do this, you just hit enter, so it will be like visible here. And once you created this custom symbol, you can give any name to the particular symbol. The sugar and hotel, like I have given already, you can able to see in my on my screen. So once you, as per your need, once you edit this the list, the few symbols I have already given as per the default view, but you can change it according to your need. And what is this trail length and the scatter plot resolution, that we will see just after this. So first of all, let me show you how what is this indicator. It's this plotting. So there will be a four quadrant of this indicator, like lagging, you can see improving, leading, and weakening. So it's like the how the sector is behaving over the past few days. Like if you will take a power sector, like suppose if I'm hovering over this green line, it is showing me a power. Like you can see the 13 leading power, 14 leading power, 10, 9, 8, 7. So what is this 14 and what is this 0? So if you see here that trail length is I've set it on a 15, and this is the you can set it up to 19 because of this code limitation. So it's better to be view in a 15. So I have placed a 15 by default here. So what is this 15? So it is showing the sector performance. What is the sector performance? The from the current date to the past 15 days. So like if you see, this is a 0 and this is in a weakening quadrant of this graph. So so the power sector currently it's in a weakening matrix, we can say weakening quadrant. So likewise, and if you take the performance of this power sector of 14 or 15 days ago, it's on the leading side, but now it's moving from leading to the weakening side. And there is a probable chance that this power sector might go to the lagging as well, or there is a chance as well that it might again turn up and going to the leading. So what it is mean, going to the lagging or going from leading, going from lagging to momentum, lagging to improving and all. So suppose any sector is moving from lagging to improving state, so it means the sector is now started outperforming the Nifty. It's not completely out, it's not completely leading, it's not completely outperforming the Nifty, but it started improving, or it is started showing the first sign of the sector to outperform the Nifty in future. Nifty, or we can say the any benchmark you set. So you can see this all the dots like 40, as and when I'm moving this arrow one by one, you can see 14, 10, 12, 11. So likewise, the this is the current performance of the Nifty healthcare sector, and this is the past 15 session performance of a Nifty healthcare sector. So this all the arrows are plotted likewise based on past 15 to the current state, how it is on the past 15 days and how its current state. So as we can see, the Nifty healthcare for the past from the past 15 days to current date, it's moving from lagging to improving, and there and it's currently pointing towards the leading sector. If I will maximize this, you can adjust the view according to your need. Like so, it is eh, moving to the leading sector. As of now, it's not on a leading side. But suppose if the Nifty healthcare or Nifty pharma sector is performing well ahead, well in next 1 week or two, so this might go to the next quadrant of this matrix, which is leading quadrant. So suppose the auto sector, a few like a month ago, we the all the people are bullish on auto sector, but now the auto sector is on a weakening side, and from the weakening it's going to the lagging side against the Nifty benchmark. This is not a absolute performance of a particular sector, but it's a relative performance of a sector against a Nifty over the past 65 days, which we have set here. You can set any number you want, as I already told you. And now what is the scatter plot resolution? The scatter plot is like you can able to see this quadrant, the size of quadrant and all. You can change according to your need as per your screen size, as per your preference. So you can change setting and find the optimal length for your screen size. And these all are the legends I already given. Like from FMCG, you can able to see the green one. So this is an FMCG, how it's performing currently. So generally, the RRG is used, as I've already told, for the sector performance, and the it's not like way that now the Nifty healthcare is going from lagging to improving, and so it will definitely go to the leading. There might a chance that suppose there is a market crash and all the sectors are falling for continuous 7 days. So this might change according to here as well, or it might go to the leading as well based on the Nifty performance against the based on this sector performance against the Nifty. If the Nifty is falling more, but the sector is not falling more, so this might stay here as well, or this might go to the leading as well, because it is still outperforming, right? Okay, that both are falling, it's okay, but still the sector is still the sector is falling less. So likewise, it's not advisable to assume that okay, now it's in a improving, it will definitely go in a leading, or now it's in a weakening side, so it will definitely so it will definitely go to the lagging. It's not like that way. You can see here, there might be a you can see this CPSE sector. So currently it's on a currently it's on a leading side, but for the past 14 days it's on a leading quadrant only. It's not moving ahead, or it's like on dead set only. It's not Yes, it is outperforming, but it is not increase its outperformance against the Nifty. And if you will see for this for the CNX commodity sector, so it's like, yes, earlier it's currently outperforming, but it is it is outperform like earlier it's outperforming by 5%, but now it's outperforming by the 2% because this arrow is coming down. But this is still on a leading side. It's not indicative that it might go to the weakening sector. It might again turn here, or it might go to the improving state as well. So it's not like a one-way circle. It's like a based on performance, this chart will be plotted. And you can turn off this all the symbol, or you can turn on the required symbol as per your need. Like suppose if I will turn off all the so it will be plot only that particular symbol here, like it's particularly that symbol. Now let's going to the next part of this learning, that how you can, let me just remove for the better view. How Okay, let me put this five sector. So this is currently five sector are there, and I have added a Nifty healthcare as well. So we will take an example of Nifty healthcare. So currently it only showing with the past 15 days. Now what if you want to track a past performance of like 20 days or 25 days? But so in TradingView we have one option. I don't know whether it's available for free members or not, but I have paid subscriptions. I can able to see this replay option. So this replay, it will show you the like from the particular date. So if you will click on this replay, you guys are know how to use this replay button, that it will show you from the particular date, that how the particular symbol is behaving. But this same feature we can leverage to use this indicator, perform like past performance of 25 days, 30 days. Now suppose if I will take currently, let me just note what is the 15 days from the current 15th bar. It's on a date on 20th to September. Now suppose if I want a performance from the uh, I can, let's see, from the 29th August. So what will be the count here is 32 bars, right? So you can you can click on this reply button, and you can select like 20 or 29 August. Where is this 29 August is there? Okay, from the 29 August. So if you will click on the 29 August, and once you, okay, so now this indicator is changed, like these values are changed based on a 29 August. So as on the 29 August, this this Nifty Healthcare are on a lagging side. You can see as on 28 August, it's on a lagging side. Now if you will click this one by one, you can able to see it's changing its direction. Like if I have 29 third, likewise, you can able to see it's changing its direction. See, it's it started moving upward from the date. I think which date, I have to check, but from which date it started moving upward. But you can easily see here, once if you will click one by one, this is moving to the, see, improving state from the lagging. So from the 29 August to the till date, you can measure the performance of this sector if you will use this replay button. So so, so that's it for the learning of this RRG indicator and how to use that. Uh, please DM me if you have any question related to this indicator, or if you find any difficulties to for plotting of this indicator. And thank you for watching.